Welcome once again to the third video of the 12th module on the emergence of school counseling and historical perspective of role and function of school counselor. In this video, we will see some of the aspects of the school counseling in today's world and challenges of school counselors. The learning objective is to apprise the present day school counseling scenario and the future challenges of school counselors. Now let us see school counseling around the world. When we want to understand about school counseling around the world, the first thing we think about is how are other countries providing school counseling? What are they doing about it? And it is important to understand that the political, social and cultural factors are strongly rooted when a country addresses the educational needs of its population. I would like to present some examples of the countries about how school counseling is practiced. Firstly, from the history we came to understand that it is clear that United States of America has made a substantial progress in the field of school counseling. In Japan, school counseling is taken up very seriously, especially the high school counseling. The goal of high school counseling in Japan is to help every student develop abilities of self-understanding, decision-making, life planning and action-taking so that the students are able to adjust in the career options they decide to pursue or follow. Coming to France, we can see that the secondary school counseling was initiated in the year 1922. Very soon, the country understood the importance of school counseling, and in the 1930s, the educational system of the country adopted school counseling as a necessary part of the institution. The importance is given to the vocational guidance, and school counselors help students with vocational guidance as well. School counseling in Thailand includes regular advice giving by the teachers. With regard to Israel, classroom instructions holds the first priority. Hence, 1/3 of the time is used for classroom instructions and the remaining time is used for personal and social counseling by the school counselor. Israel follows a canon that students after high school are supposed to enroll themselves with the armed forces. This has somewhat reduced the importance of career counseling. In Hong Kong, school counseling and guidance as a service is integrated with the whole school with an importance of preventing risks and dropouts. Turkey, on the other hand, has a history of 5 decades in school counseling and development. They have an association which professionally works for journal publication as well as they sponsor conferences. A lot of secondary schools have counseling services and they get support from the Ministry of National Education. There is a continuous exchange of information and professional conversations, interchanges and discussions that takes place across the world, and all countries are being benefited. The transnational network of national resource centers for vocational guidance was established for the very purpose of sharing information with regard to various aspects of educational development and its improvement, which includes business, social agencies, counseling materials and methods. The vast network that connects the world, which is called as Internet, is being used to share information and communicate from anywhere to anywhere around the world. This mechanism of Internet has been a boon for the school counseling network to disseminate information. European countries like Spain, Portugal, Denmark, Belgium, Finland, France, Italy, the Slovak Republic and Norway and many more are widely using the web to exchange information with regard to counseling, and also they are using the web to make the career and counseling information available to the guidance counselors and experts. In conclusion, 100 years ago, when there was industrial revolution, school counseling also rose as a discipline. As we know, history of school counseling can be sketched from looking into the developments that took place to derive several school counseling models. Educators, thinkers and policymakers, politicians have argued and agreed and disagreed with regard to understand the exact nature and purpose of school counseling and to bring out school counseling as a profession in itself. They have debated over making document or a vision of how and in what way our children can be helped to develop their personal, social, emotional and professional self during their school years. We all have understood the importance of vocational guidance movement through which the role and functions of school counselor was originated and developed. It was all about equipping children for their profession and their entry into the work life. Then, the role and function of school counselors typically focused on identifying students who were lagging behind in their studies, prevent them from failing and becoming dropouts and preparing them to enter the workforce. In the beginning of 21st century, the American School Counseling Association came up with the National School Counseling Model with standards for applying and employing school counseling initiatives which comprised of behavioral and ethical standards which were meant to guide the school counselors to have proper relationships and interactions with the students at school. Now, school counseling is delineated as a profession in itself and continues to express as a discipline and realistically indicate effectiveness and helpfulness. We can look forward to witness the expansion of counseling services at every school to improve every child's overall development and life satisfaction. However, at the same time, the utmost challenge faced by the school counselors in the present day and in days to come is to apply the standards of National School Counseling Model and fill up those gaps so that the access to all the counseling techniques and the usefulness should reach to all students and school children identically and equally, which will assist them and support them to have a happy, healthy and productive lives. Thank you.